everyone, welcome back to Broke People's Guide.
This would be funny.
If you're not familiar with my channel,
Look.
the purpose of it is to try to find ways to make your own repairs at home.
Me.
Without paying anyone else to do it.
Hey. I'm Eli here.
Hi,
and
Eli.
this is my mommy.
Today I am going to show you how to adjust the chain in your toilet tank. If it's not at the right length, then your toilet will run after you flush it. Your tank will not fill up, and when that happens, your toilet doesn't flush. So this chain is too long, and whenever the toilet flushes, the chain gets stuck under the flapper. And because that flapper is not all the way closed, the water does not fill up in this tank. So what you want to do is adjust the chain by removing this, taking the whole thing off, and doing it at a shorter length. So we're going to do there. We're going to put it right in here. Now the rest of my chain is pretty long, and I don't want this part of the chain to mess up the flapper when it flushes. So I'm gonna loop this in there also,
I'm wearing this tomorrow.
so that it just hangs like that.
I'm gonna wear this tomorrow.
Okay.
I'm wearing this tomorrow.
And then you're just gonna put that back in there and then close it. So when the toilet flushes, it's gonna go all the way down like that. We're gonna wait for the tank to fill up.
It's full.
So it's full now, and we're gonna flush the toilet.
Again?
Yeah.
I'll flush it, okay?
Okay, go ahead. So the chain is totally away from the flapper now. So there's no way it's gonna get blocked.
Oh, that's way too down.
So that was it. It was very easy, very fast, and now you can flush the toilet. Please subscribe.
I wash my hands.
Oh, yeah, we both gotta wash our hands.
She's a wrestler. You know what wrestler I am?